Hey, what's up everybody? DoubleA here. Today I bring you a Snack Nation snack box. This is my second snack box. If you haven't seen the first one, I suggest you go and check that out first and come back to this one. Let's crack this one open and see what's in there. If you guys don't know about Snack Nation, they're on Amazon. They sell various size boxes starting at about $15 a month. It's a subscription box of healthy snacks. So this one is the $15 version with about 8 snacks in it. So that's what's in there. What does that say?
It says open love.
Alright, cool. We'll check that out later. So we're going to go and open it today. We're going to taste test it as well and let you know our opinion on these items.
Okay, first, ooh, that was good.
Ooh, beef stick.
Jalapeno.
Alright, let's go and you want to crack it open? Let's see. Yeah, you go.
Open this up.
Yep. Alright, let's give it a shot. Okay. So this is Country Archer jalapeno beef stick. 100% beef. There you go.
That's good.
Check that out. It's not bad. It's a little dry. But I'd get it again. It's not bad.
I like that. That's good.
Yeah.
Let's do these.
What is that?
Protein salted almond butter protein bar. Caveman.
Ooh.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it's a paleo bar.
Paleo.
For those of you who are on a paleo diet, might want to try this out. I hope that means it's good.
Looks pretty good.
Oh yeah, it does actually. I like
You want half? How you have?
yeah, there you go. Why not?
You eat that? We eat this.
Man. Let's see. Not bad. Texture is a little different. It has that looks like almost like a yogurt coating at the top with like a soft, like almost like power bar type texture in the middle. I don't know if it's because I just had the beef stick, but I can't really taste the salted almond butter. It just tastes a little plain.
I was expecting to have some of those inside of it, but I can't really taste them.
They're just like little tiny bits and pieces. It's not bad. Okay. Alright.
I mean, I like it.
Let's go.
Just the cheese. Aged cheddar.
That sounds good.
Looks good too.
Yeah, let's give this a shot.
Packaging's really tight.
I'm actually liking this box a little bit better than our previous one already.
Okay.
So, let's see.
You get one, I get one?
Sure.
Okay, let's do this.
So,
There you go. Let me try this.
this is a crunchy toasted cheese. There's the wrapper. I like it.
Me too. It reminds me of like when you're making grilled cheese and you get some of the cheese that crusted over because it cooks too much. It tastes just like that.
Yeah, it does.
I love to eat that, so this is perfect for me.
Yep, absolutely. Alright, so what do we have here? Oh, I have another bar. It's a peanut butter crunch bar. And it's called the best bar ever. Real food bar. There you go, check that out.
Let's see if it's the best bar ever.
Well, I mean, it doesn't look like it has a lot of calories. So we'll find out. Alright. Try a piece.
Oh.
Wow, yeah, it definitely has like that power bar texture. Like that soft-ish. Oh, you can really taste the peanut butter.
No, I like that.
Yeah, I do actually.
It's not that strong though.
Right, and it has more flavor than the almond butter one that we had earlier.
I like this one a lot more.
Mm-hmm. Same here. What is this?
Those look good.
Little secret dark chocolate pieces. You'll like this. There you go. Look at that. Pretty cool. All right, let's check this out.
I'm gonna get like 2.
Yeah, get as many as you want.
Okay. I love the dark chocolate. This is perfect.
It's like healthy but really good tasting M&Ms.
Tastes better than M&Ms to me.
Really good.
All right, next item. Soft baked breakfast fruit and oat ovals. Chocolate chip banana. Ooh, that sounds really good.
All right. You want to crack that open?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Now that I'm tasting this one, I let it sit for a little bit. Kind of has like a honey like ending to it. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it does have a little sweet aftertaste.
It's really good.
Yeah.
So let's get one of them, or I think it's only one.
Yeah, this is one. It's appears to be a soft bar.
Okay.
Enjoy life. Soft baked ovals.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Tastes like a muffin.
Yeah. It does actually. It has that chocolate chip and banana muffin taste.
Really good.
Yeah. Good, on the go and if you're on the run. Ooh.
Yeah, those look good.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. Coconut cookies. Vanilla bean. All right. Easy open package. I like that.
Take one.
Yeah. Take one. I'll take 2. There we go.
That's good.
Oh, wow. I really like this item. This is so far my favorite. It's like a really soft cookie. And it has a little bit of a vanilla bean flavor to it. And little coconut flakes inside. If you like coconut, and I do, it's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. This is really good. All right. So
That's amazing.
So we have everything bagel, flavored cashews,
I'm excited.
Hares Gourmet. Look at that.
I'm excited for that one.
Oh man, let's check this out. Well, good news is it's cholesterol free, so you don't gotta worry about that. There we go. Try some.
Can you open it up?
I apparently have trouble opening packages.
Well, they're hard to open. These.
Yeah.
Maybe a couple off myself.
Yep.
I know I'm gonna love these. I love everything bagels, so.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's good.
Actually, this is really good.
You can see like the little things they have in the everything bagels.
Yeah, it does have a little. Basically, yeah, bits stuck on the cashews. That's unique. I've never had anything like this before. And if I was offered this again, I would definitely take the opportunity to get it because it's really good. All right, now, last but not least.
Grain-free. Ooh, these are Himalayan pink salt.
There you go. You like pink. There you go.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's that kind of diet too.
Paleo. Yeah.
We've seen a lot of those. This is like a trend today.
Yeah, all right. So, yeah, it's one of those. I'm not 100% familiar with it, so I'm not going to really comment on it. But, let's see what these taste like. There you go.
Should we get some more just in case?
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna try it.
Hey, one for later.
5 for later.
Yeah.
These are different than I expected.
I don't know how I feel about these.
You eat them.
Like,
They have no flavor.
yeah, it tastes like. I mean, they're okay. They're not terrible. You get a hint of salt in there, but you also feel like you're chewing on cardboard.
Well, not for me. For me, I don't feel like I'm tasting cardboard. I just feel like I'm eating nothing. I just
Yeah,
want to keep eating more because I want to get more flavor.
There's not a lot of. Like, I definitely taste the salt.
Yeah, no, I can taste that.
It's like a hint of it, not much. I mean, it's not Like, I can see somebody just picking up one of these and eating it. Like, you know, like him. Just eating it, like, constantly. But it's not bad, but it's not my favorite, you know?
Yeah, it has no flavor, but it makes me want to eat more.
Yeah, so maybe that's what it is. Maybe that's why they made these. I mean, it says, made with organic cassava root coconut, sweet potato, Himalayan sea salt, and nutrient-dense coconut oil. Yeah, I can taste some sweet potato in here too, actually.
After you eat a lot of them, pretty good now.
So, I mean, yeah, it's okay. It's not bad. So how many snacks did we get in here? We're supposed to get 8. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got, yeah. So we got 2 bonus snacks. Thank you, Snack Nation. That was really nice of you. I really appreciate it. So I actually think that this particular box of snacks is a little bit better than the previous one we received. And I definitely look forward to the next box next month. And I'm going to continue with this subscription. I'm liking this for $15. I think you get a decent value of healthy snacks.
Yeah.
And if you guys haven't tried it, I certainly suggest that you do so. And that's pretty much for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe as always, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.